Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutor Stats. In this video, I will discuss a small problem to calculate the sample size. The problem is an anthropologist wishes to estimate the average height of men for a certain race of people. The population standard deviation is assumed to be 2.5 inches. She considers randomly samples and means with n to be determined by u. A requirement is with probability 0.99 the difference between the sample mean and the true population mean will be less than 0.4 inches. So in this question we have been given that population standard deviation sigma is 2.5 and the probability of difference between the sample mean and the true population mean x bar minus mu. The difference between sample mean and the population mean will be less than 0.4 with probability 0.99. Here x bar is the sample mean, mu is the population mean. Okay, now we will convert this expression into z-score by dividing sigma over root n. Similarly here and it will be the z-score less than the small z is equal to 0.99. Here small z is 0.4 upon में sigma upon में root n. This is our small z. And by using this expression 1 we will calculate the value of small z. So we can use z table, the standard normal table, or the Excel function of normal distribution or standard normal distribution. The function is norm in. Okay, so here the alpha is the alpha will be 0.01 and it is calculated by 1 minus 0.99. Okay, so alpha is at 1% level of significance. Okay, so in this syntax we will write first alpha level of significance by 2 comma mean is 0 and variance is 1. Okay, so this will give the small z value. So when we use this function or the z table we will get z is equal to 2.58. This is the critical value. Okay. And from equation 2 our z value is 0.4 upon my sigma by root n is equal to 2.58. So this implies 0.4 2.58 into sigma by root n. and root n is equal to 2.58 into sigma is 2.5 upon में 0.4, right, and n root n is 16.125, okay, and 16.125 square, and n is 260.01. So the approximate value of the sample size n is equal to, this is our approximated value, 260. Sample size cannot be in form of decimal, so the approximated of the sample size is 260. So this is our required sample size and required result. Thank you.